Officers are pursuing a stolen motorcycle, and once they detain the rider, he makes a shocking move they never saw coming.
Wow, he got quick.
Hey, sir. I ain't playing that bullet. I don't want to in the car and make snowy shit. I didn't steal that bike.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh.
Did I run because I know it was stolen? Yes. Can I smoke one cigarette before we go in, please?
Nope. Look, man, I'm not trying to be an asshole.
I didn't see you guys behind me for a long time.
The owner of this bike is tracking it, okay?
So how come he didn't get it from dude earlier this morning? I know who had that bike earlier.
Who's that?
I'm not a rat. I can barely talk. I play drink of water.
I don't have any water, man.
I can't talk. I'm not trying to be I promise you.
Well, you just told me you wanted me to get bit by that dog.
Because I was upset at the time. Please let me smoke a cigarette, man, please.
Cigarettes are going to dry your mouth out even more, man.
I don't care. I'm going to prison, please.
Tight.
Please, man.
If you're cool with me, I might let you smoke when we get to jail.
Hey, he's trying to play the role.
Oh.
How much do you have in the bag?
Like a quarter gram of ice and 2 Xanaxes.
Tweaking right now. Hey, before we finish this video, remember call friend, tell friend, tell friend, call friend, let them know Rummy Rum's in the house, in your mouth. Rummy Rum, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, keep your vibes high. Always check your mentals, emotionals, physicals, spirituals. Title of this video is Officer Watches Suspect Steal His Police Car. And that's why you never put a suspect in the front seat. Shut up. Lock it. Damn, dog. Crazy. Wow. No, he's seen that, boy. Hell no. You gonna lose your job, man.
Did that happen, Lee?
Getting suspended.
Okay, listen to me. I stole a
You
car
and Officer Lee
and I'm
getting
driving.
suspended.
You gotta meet me somewhere, baby, so I don't get caught. Where are you meeting me?
Relax. Relax. Relax, baby. Where you go?
Go up behind Ross's gas station. How long till you're there?
Man, this is crazy, man.
Where you at? You're in this?
He was handcuffed.
Maybe the cops
You
are
want
on my
handcuffed
ass.
good
What do I
enough.
do? Baby!
This was crazy.
Baby, I'm heading to your dad's house. I'm gonna hide out there.
Oh, shaking. How did that happen?
Y'all got caught lacking. That's how it happened.
Baby, I'm gonna jump. Baby, I'm gonna jump
You
in the
was
river
slacking.
and swim down, okay? Baby, look for me, please, please. I'm heading towards Greenville right now, okay?
accident, bruh.
Love you.
They slipped the cuffs? I didn't see him. Dude, next thing I know, he was just, yeah. I saw him when we all went to press his bag, threw the bag over, let it drive.
What how high he is, 'cause that boy is moving 127 miles per hour. Smashing.
Hey, relax, man. Relax.
Yeah, chill out. And you can only be mad at yourself, man. You can only be mad at yourself. He saw the dude acting up and going crazy. Oh, got him.
He's got my phone, so I can't unlock the doors of my car. Hey, he's on 67 north. Okay, Chris just rounded the curve right now.
Baby. York Village, they hit me with spike strips. You can't drive so much further. York Village, I'm going to run and hide. Love it. Love it.
We should be able to catch up. Right. We got the tank.
Yeah, I know.
Yep.
You're good my way.
Yep.
He's smashing in that car and not even scared. He got that whole look too, no teeth. Y'all see him doing that? He ain't got no teeth.
I don't see him. Scott, where you at? See him? No. Scott, where you at? Where you at? Bobby! Scott!
They advise the subject has fled in the S curve on 49.
Scotty, where you at? Scotty, where you at? Anybody see him, hear him? Come on, Bobby. Is Bobby running here too? Scotty!
Buffalo Creek, Ripley County.
Oh gosh, he's got a 10-hour drive. Should I ask him to have it for
Sure, working that way. Pick him up before I head that way.
What the Bobby? Bobby!
Pick him up before I head that way.
Scotty!
This dude sound like Talladega Nights. Look, Bobby, Scotty, if you ain't first, you're last. And that's what happened. That boy got up out of there quick. He wasn't, he was first and last. Oh, that sound like the water boy, the Bobby Boucher. Ooh, Bobby.
Can you check the Bobby Boucher? See if the rifle and shotgun's still secure in his vehicle. Oh no.
Oh no, we better be checking.
I know, at this time, weapons are secure.
Let's keep walking.
Still trying to contact the K9.
Scotty!
Understood.
Was that somebody yelling? Hold on for a minute. Come on, Scotty. Answer, baby. Answer, Scotty. I hear him back there. He's way back here.
Rifle is secure in his vehicle still.
A shotgun. You don't have the. He said block. Because not all the vehicles have these. That's true.
Shotgun secure in the vehicle.
Okay, that's good.
334 Wayne County. Do we know subject armed or not?
You just heard me say that. They scan us.
Oh, we're here, Chris. Over here, Chris.
They catch him.
We got eyes, Chris. We got eyes on him.
What do you say?
Located the deputy.
Is deputy secure?
He sounds like a train wreck. They always, yeah. I mean, I'm sure they're amped up. I get it.
How do those not have the anti-theft device on them?
They do. Yeah, they should all have the anti-theft. Here we are.
Not his. He got theft.
Go ahead, where you at?
I'll get my repeater on.
But make sure all over the location.
I know. 905, 1110, 729 on scene.
Bobby, which way they run?
When I got on scene, Kelly was the only one here.
You want some spray? I would put some on. There's a Forest Service road down here. Do you want to go down it?
I'll jump.
Just hop in back, Kyle.
Oh, sorry.
What? Oh, you're fine.
I didn't know everybody was in here.
Just scoot over.
Go ahead.
That boy can run, so being a big boy.
Yeah.
He's up right here somewhere.
He's got his shirt off. He stripped his shirt.
I can't figure out how he sits the cops. You know, damn far this
Why?
You know how far away I am from my car.
I should have
You know you
shot
can't
him.
catch no crackhead.
You should have shot him.
Yeah.
I saw him move one time. I never thought there was a chance in the world he'd slip him.
Sure, off and in handcuffs.
We sure gotta be. He's driving the vehicle.
I don't know how that happened.
Was he securing the seatbelt?
He was in there like he was supposed to be.
I feel right now.
You wouldn't be the first person.
Hell no.
Well, I tried to jump in with Bobby. Bobby. I was like on the door handle and Bobby took off. I was screaming at Lee. I was like, oh my
40. It was hitting like 128.
I hit 140.
The vehicle's not damaged, right?
Just
Tires.
I got all four.
He was still 80, 90 mile an hour down 40.
So, you dived, I was like, oh. I went to pull my gun, he went like this.
Okay.
I went through K9! Mount your hands up! I'll send the dog! You will be missed! Everybody stay behind me. Yep, no, stay back.
If you want to work towards about the middle of where we left you.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Hey, I'd stay right there. Let him get his thing going. Stay back plenty. That way we can get a good track on him. I don't like getting up in the containment area. Let's stay back.
I heard him hiding up in the brush up here.
Really?
But I didn't want to get in there.
Yeah, sure. No, he's not far. That's as fresh as track as you can get.
Why is he not? He's running. He was still moving.
I know. Hang on. Stay. Get close, but not. We don't want to get. Yeah. No, you all are good. No, you all are good. I'm just. Yeah. Hey, Trent, went through here. Okay, you gonna swing around? No, you all are good.
Oh,
I'm trying to get killed. They're getting up there a little too far up around the track.
I got
trying to keep. I got you all are good.
Circle around it.
He's hiding in that brush. Where he hiding at?
Hey, right here. Show me your hand.
Show your hand.
You better not move. You hear me? Do not move. Do not.
Kyle! Crossfire! I got him? You're going to put your hands behind your back and you're going to roll over right now. I don't care about the tree.
Get out!
Ow! Stop!
Let go of the tree!
I'm not holding you, man! Ow!
Hang on.
Oh,
Calm down. Calm down.
You trying to yank his? I wouldn't care either. Scratch your stomach up, back, everything.
Behind your back.
Resisting at all.
Bull. You got him?
Step out.
You's a wild boy.
Super stripper, you are. Thank you for being receptive. About to get worse, son. I do pretty.
You're going to do it for a long time, bud. Old police car, bud.
I just did 6.5 years.
How does 20 sound?
Since we've already obviously shown what he's like, we'll get a cage car to take him.
Dude, are my pinkies doing a problem to you?
You got the right to remain silent. I'd suggest you use it.
I suggest you shut the f*** up. I know my rights.
Good.
I was grabbing you so I didn't fall. Over to the right.
What did my mother fall?
Make sure you got no blood on it. He's bleeding. Had a couple scratches.
Where you're at? James was coming over. Black buddy.
Which one? Stinson Morgan.
Oh my goodness.
I'll catch you again.
I thought I'm doing 20 years.
Talk to you second time? What's the third?
You talked to me first time?
Yeah.
4.5 years ago?
Yeah.
You catch wasn't your ass. It wasn't. I know it wasn't. I know who it was. It wasn't you. Shoot, that is disrespectful.
Or do you want to put those on and I'll take mine?
Yeah, I bet you will.
I know it. You can make it in prison. You get
Sure.
Where's your shoes?
What county am I going to?
Butler.
I hate that one.
Keep a camera on him so he don't try to say we done something good.
I don't know.
Yes, he wasn't ever trying to hurt you, but he kept looking at your cap going, click, click, click. I'm like, hey.
The suspect, identified as 38-year-old Andrew Delkamp, has an extensive criminal history in Missouri, with criminal cases dating back to 2017. According to court records, he previously pleaded guilty to second-degree burglary in 2019 and was sentenced to 7 years in the Missouri Department of Corrections. For this case, Andrew pleaded guilty in 2 separate Butler County felony cases on February 25, 2025. He pleaded guilty to first-degree tampering with a motor vehicle, resisting arrest by fleeing while creating a substantial risk of serious injury or death, and second-degree burglary. He was sentenced to 7 years in the Missouri Department of Corrections for tampering with a motor vehicle and 2 years for resisting arrest, with the sentences ordered to run back-to-back. He received an additional 7 years for second-degree burglary, which was added to the previous sentence. In total, Andrew was sentenced to 16 years in prison, just 4 years shy of...
How does 20 sound?
Man, how does 20 sound? So that's, hey, that's a crazy situation, but cocaine's a hell of a drug. Boy, boy said he was on ice, spice. He did it twice, and he was feeling real nice. It's crazy. Ain't nothing you can say about that. He obviously didn't care. He said he just got out of prison, right? We know he just got out of prison doing 7 years. Now he got to go back in for 16. But people like that, that's where they belong. And you know what they say about people who got no teeth in prison. You know what happened? That means they bit. I'll let y'all figure that out. That means they bit. And if you bite, you lose your teeth. So you can't bite no more. I'll leave that with y'all. Y'all can figure that out. But crazy scene, man. That's crazy, crazy. Luckily, he didn't hurt nobody. He even hurt himself. And the cops got the job done. I think the cop needs the one who's got his car stolen. I think he might need some more training. They might be like, hey, a guy that's on drugs, I don't care if it hurts. Put the put the handcuffs on extra tight. Make sure you put them in the back seat. I think that is like a number one rule. Although I have seen another cop put somebody in the front seat. So I think that's like a cardinal rule. Put them in the back seat. That way they can't get out. They can't climb over and steal your car. They can't get your gun. Most importantly, he didn't seem like he was after all that. He just wanted to go. And I understand. You got to understand, somebody who just got out of prison ain't trying to go back. You know what I mean? You just did 7 years. Now you got to go back and do another 16. Boy. That's horrible. Crazy video, man. Crazy video. Call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. Always check your mentals, emotionals, physical, spirituals. Peace and love. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the guys. Peace to the earth. I'll catch y'all in the next video.